Hey, so, yeah, you're coming with me to school. This is weird. So I have one of those tripod things, but I don't have a suction cup yet. So I'll be getting that later on in the week. Yeah, so this will be fun. Hopefully I'm not distracted or anything. Hopefully it doesn't fall. And yeah, those are the only two things I'm hopeful for. I'm starting to move. This is weird. Okay. You guys are coming with me. Yeah. I still need to do like a small review on this car, like I said I would, but it's okay. Please don't break my camera. That won't be fun. It's more fun when you guys get to see me. I hope you guys can hear me too. That's something I always worry about. I always feel like it's always hard to hear me, but it's cool. I'm going. Yeah. So I have to get used to this. Normally, that was an ES350 Lexus. Normally I listen to music really loudly, but today I don't want to get copyright infringement by YouTube, and so I am here right now and not listening to music so that I can so that my video is like A1, you know? I really don't know what to talk about. This is like new to me, so it's not really new because I've been doing this for 2 years, but it's just like I've never really made a video just off, like just hey, spontaneously. That's the word. Wow, it's really dark. It's so dark. Hopefully I can fix that later on. Alright, it's better when there's light. I need more light. Oh, that does nothing. Dang it. Okay. Well, one good thing is that you guys haven't fallen yet. One bad thing is that I'm really dark. Dang. Wow. Hopefully. Okay. What if I sit like this? It's okay if you don't even like see the top of my head. There's nothing up there. It's just hair. I don't even have my rebel hat. Oh my gosh, I don't even know where it is. Oh, I do know where it is. It's in my trunk. I sound like Ralph Wiggum from The Simpsons. I can go now. So, yeah. So, yeah. This is a 2014. I guess I'll just do like a little short review for you guys right now. This is a 2014 Toyota Corolla. It's an S Plus model, and I should go over one, not hit anyone. Yeah, so it's a 2014 Toyota Corolla S Plus. It's manual, as you can see. Yeah, it's manual. It's really slow. It's 132 horsepower. I think it's around the same, like 140, 150 torque. I really should have studied my car more, but seeing as how school and everything, there's more important things to study and focus on. But it's okay. I'll just get right behind this Mustang if he doesn't mind. Ooh, I'm really close. Oh, that's close. Yeah, so it feels really nice. Yeah, it feels nice. The steering wheel has like hands-free things, not hands-on activity. You don't need to like move your hand back and forth. Apparently that causes too many accidents. The AC is really good. I like the AC. I like my car really cold, but for this video, I can't make it as cold as I want it to be because that requires the AC to be turned up, and then you can't hear me, and then you guys are like watching a useless video. So I really didn't want to do that. Yeah, sightlines are good. Sightlines are good. It has a sunroof. I always either wanted to cover the sunroof or a convertible. If I were to get a car with a sunroof like this, I would want to have a rack on top of it, which I will probably be getting sometime close to Christmas with my Christmas money. Yeah. Let's not miss any gears. That's bad. That's bad if you miss a gear. Yeah, so I'm deciding between a rack for my car or a wide angle camera for you guys. I might go wide angle because I always wish you could see more, but that's just personal preference. Back to the car review. Wow, I have major ADHD. Like, it's so major that it's minor. Cause it's not severe. It's just like, hey, you got like a little thing on your cheek. Oh, it's called ADHD. And I'm like, oh, can I wipe it off? And they're like, no, you can't wipe off ADHD. What's wrong with you? And I'm like, oh, nothing's really wrong with me. And they're like, yeah, something's wrong with you. You got ADHD. And I'm like, dang it, you got me. Well, this is new. Normally traffic doesn't happen this way, but I guess today is a new day. I guess there's traffic today. Yeah. Oh, another cool thing about this car, instead of being stuck in traffic like I am right now, you can preset your routes, and out of like the ones that you set it to, it will tell you which one has the least amount of traffic, and then it will want you to take that route. But I didn't set that up yet. I know it does that because it says, but I'm lazy. Like, if you guys didn't know that I'm lazy, then come on, tacos. I don't even like post videos when I say I'll post videos. And when I do post videos and I'm supposed to like change the link on my Instagram bio, sometimes I don't even do that. Like last video I didn't even change the link. Oh, I just realized that I'm still kind of doing the car review, and that like cabin noise, interior noise, it's okay. It's like a 6 out of 10. Like, you don't hear everything, but you hear like a good amount. So, I mean, you'll get used to it. I'm used to it. It's just background noise now. So, that's something. I should probably slow down. We're starting to get off the highway. And it's weird, because the highway just kind of ends here. For me, of course. It continues on, all the way to Portsmouth. Oh, it's early. Okay. Yeah, so this guy looks like Drake. I wonder if I can get him in the shot. That guy right there. Oh, wow, my hand was in the way. Wow, good job, Shane. Good job. He looks like Drake. I want a 350. 350s are cool. TJ Hunt got me into 350. If you don't know who that is, look him up and subscribe if you want. He's cool. He talks about cars a lot, like I kind of want to do. Yeah. Oh, like that one t-shirt that I showed you guys like 2 videos back. yeah, that's kind of where I got the idea for making my own t-shirts. But then again, whenever you go into YouTube, you have to have your own merchandise. It's like required, because you need like a lot of ways to get money, because YouTube doesn't always, like, you know, pay. And sorry, this hurts. You just want, you just like want to put your name out there. And I was talking to my cousin last night about it, and like he's about to start up his YouTube sometime. He's just gathering ideas right now. But you really just want to get your name out there and like focus on gaining a fan base first. Don't worry about money right away. Wow, that was bumpy. But then again, I'm in a Toyota 2014 Toyota Corolla S Plus, and it sucks up these bumps like they're nothing. You know why? Because this is on a monster truck suspension. This is on like some wildebeest, like lion den suspension system. Because the car is so high, like wheel gap is like this much. Wow. Hey, I'm just making a YouTube video. You don't have to like stare at me. It's okay. Oh, this guy in front of me is breaking the law. That's cool. It's always cool whenever you see whenever you see someone break the law, because you never really see it all that much. But then again, it depends on where you live. Like where I live, it's really boring. Oh, hey. I just wave at random people. They don't even know what I'm doing. It just looks like I'm talking to myself, but I'm not. I'm talking to you guys. Unless I'm watching the video, then I am talking to myself. Wow. What was I even talking about? Oh my gosh. I'm on monster truck suspension. Oh, the wheels look really nice on this car. I wouldn't mind changing them to some ambit wheels. Wow, that sounds like TJ Hunt. Or I don't know. I've always liked N keys. I don't know how to say it, but I've always liked them. I like dogs. I'm just allergic to some. I don't like cats though. I'm allergic to cats. Yeah. You can never get too friendly with a cat, because they'll just scratch and eat you once you're dead. I don't want to hit anybody. So many students everywhere. Also, I hope there's parking. It's like midday. I'm so sorry. I just got in your way. I did not almost hit her though. It's so dark. It is so dark. I don't know. People are really like iffy about their personal space here. They all want a lot of personal space. And, you know, you just can't always get what you ask for, because, I don't know, there's a little thing called life, and people in PT Cruisers are bad drivers, partly because they have the ugliest car that they've ever seen. And if anyone wants a PT Cruiser, then you need to go to like a psychiatrist, because that's not right. I mean, like, alright, you can only want a PT Cruiser if it has wood paneling, a little spoiler, and has flip-up doors. Only way. It's a Mitsubishi 300 GT over there. Students over at ODU, they drive crazy cars. There's a Porsche Boxster. That's probably not even a student. That's probably a teacher. I don't even know how you get that much for the teacher salary. You're probably like saving up. But really, everybody's dream car is like a Lamborghini or a Ferrari. Hey, I know who owns that Veloster. But yeah, everyone's dream car is like a Lamborghini, a Ferrari, Koenigsegg. Mine is just a built STI that can make high triple digits or low quadruple digits. That would probably require like an engine swap though. But I mean, it's cool. As long as you're a safe driver, then you got nothing to worry about. But then again, I have everything to worry about because I live in Virginia Beach and we have the worst drivers. Like the absolute worst. And someone took my spot. And guess what took my spot? A Subaru took my spot. Hey, there's one space left. Gotta park backwards. You know why? Hashtag no dink squad. Even though I'm parking right next to everybody. But it's okay. Shout out to Evan Shanks for that. I talk about them like they're my friends. When they were so close to me. They were so close to me at H2O. Oh my gosh. I wish I was able to go. But I watched my cousin get married and that was pretty fun. Yeah, it has a backup camera too. So you never have to like worry if you're about to hit like a tree. Well, tacos. Bye. Have a good day.